So welcome. In this video we will explore PHP class designed for manipulating Excel files using odbc. This video it will be divided into parts. The first part I will explain the function of the functionalities of the website, and in the second part we will take a brief look in the code. So let's first go in the course management page. We can add a course. Let's add the one, and we click add course, and he will be appear here. We can see that he has been successfully added. As you can see here, we can add another one. As you can see here. Second, we can also modify or delete an existing course. For example, this. And then we click save, and we can see that he has been modified, update successfully. As you can see, we can also delete the course if we want. And you can see that the course has been deleted successfully. Second, we have the student page. We can add student, and here we can see the list of existing student. For example, and then we click student, add student, and you can see here. You can also verify here. As you can see, you can also modify. And here we can save changes, as you can see here, and here we can also delete. For example, we will delete this student, the last student we add. And when we refresh here, he will be gone. Let's go to the teacher page. Same as the others page, we can add a teacher and delete or modify. And you can see now we will go to the second part where and here we can add the registration, new registration. So here we can see the list of registration, existing registrations. As you can see here, you can also modify or delete. As you can see here. So this is so now we're going to the second part where I will explain the code. So now we are in the second part of the video where I will explain the code. So first I will explain the connect point PHP page. So first we have the first line session start. This will initialize a session to store user specific information across multiple page requests. Then we have the ID connection that will hold the odbc connection in notifier for executing queries. And we have the connect method that will we have the connect method that will establish a connection to the Excel files, and you have error handling, display an error message if the connection fails, and success message if the connection has been established. And then we have the close method that close the odbc connection to free up resources. And we have then the constructor that automatically called when an object is created, ensuring a connection is established. And then we have the exec query, and then we have the exec query function that execute a SQL query and process the results, so she can handle success and failure, display appropriate message based on the success of the query, and iterate through results, fetch and display rows if results are present, and freeze up resource afterward. And then we have this line db new server. This will automatically connect to the Excel file. So now we're going to explain one of these pages, and the rest will work the same logic. So for example, we're going to see the teacher page. So now we're going to explain the teacher point PHP code. So first we have this line include a separate PHP file, which is connect point PHP, that will establish the connection to the Excel file using odbc. And then we have the connection message. Then we have the teacher class definition, as you can see here, with all variables. And then we have the CRUD functions, which start here at teacher, display all teachers, which use select all from teachers, and the delete teacher and the edit teacher. And this line is and then we have this line which initialize server connection, and this part of the code will handle the post record of SQL, as you can see here. And then we have the part of the HTML part with the CSS and the forms and everything. So this was the teacher point PHP code, and the same logic has been and the same logic is for the rest of the page, like student registrations and course. Now we're going to the query part.